How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the shoerepair channel. As always, I'm Dan. I've got a special episode for you today. You'll see I'm not in my apron because we're heading out. We're going on a trip to the Dainite factory. So for those of you that don't know, Dainite is a brand of rubber shoe sole that we use on repairs in the videos all the time. The guys have kindly invited us to go and have a look around the factory so we can see how they make their soles. So we're heading out of the shop today. We're going for a little drive, about an hour and a half up north. It's going to be a lot of fun. Keep watching, see what it's all about. Okay, so it's the morning of the trip, guys. I'm at home, just getting ready. He's going to make myself a coffee and then we can hit the road. And also having a glass of my Athenase powdered greens, superfood, start the day right. So I've been looking forward to this trip and making this video. Obviously, you guys know that I've done loads of Dainite repairs on the channel already. We're swapping them for the good old Dainite soles and replacing it with a Dainite sole. So it's going to be cool to visit the guys, see the factory, see where the soles come from before they make it down to my shop. And a little fact that I want to get in there before you guys jump in the comments, because I know some of you clever clogs will. The Dainite factory is called Dainite because when operations kicked off, the whole operation was running day and night, and they just nicknamed it Dainite. It's not spelt day and night, it's Dainite, D-A-I-N-I-T-E, but it works pretty well. And it's such a well-established brand. I mean, they're pretty much on the bottom of all our high-end shoes in England, you know, Lokes, Cheenies, Crockett & Jones, Trickers. So it's going to be a real privilege to have a look around. So heading out now, we're going to meet Tim, the operations manager, and Vicky, who kindly invited me up. Got to go pick up camera girl Carla, and then we can get on the way. We are on the road, guys. It's a rainy day, but just picked up camera girl Carla. Say hello, Carla.
Hey.
And we're on the way to Market Harboro, which is where the Dainite factory is. It's about an hour and a half away in Leicestershire, up north. But first, getting Starbucks. Thank you. My Starbucks, they put down the cobbler. We're back in the car, got a Starbucks. Unpopular opinion, I think Starbucks is better than Costa.
Probably.
And I forgot to tell you guys, but of course, I've got Ron along for the ride. He's coming to the Dainite factory. Apparently they've got a pond and we can put him in it. Okay, so we've made it to the Harboro Rubber Company. It's a bit windy outside, so I'm going to get indoors and talk to you properly. But we're just north of Northampton, and I guess that's why the factory's here. Northampton being the home of British shoemaking. Okay, guys, so we made it. I'm here with Tim, the operations manager. Good to meet you. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the company and background of Dainite?
Yep. So Dainite, we've been around for 130 years. We started in 1894. Our most famous product will be the studded sole. We do have a number of other products as well, which is the Ridgeway and the Medway.
We're going to see today, aren't we?
Yep. So we're going to have a quick look round and we're going to see some manufacturing, the process from start to finish, and how we get our world-class soles onto your boots.
Awesome. So we've actually got our steel toe cap safety shoes. We've got to get these on and then we can have a look around.
Brilliant.
There you got the special high vis. Right, so we're here in the factory. It's a bit noisy, so we're going to try and talk loud for you guys, but Tim's going to show us from start to finish exactly how the whole process works. So what are we starting with?
So we start with the raw material. So our material comes in the large stillages. It comes in a strip format. Now what we need to do with that strip format is prepare our blank. This machine to our left will prepare the blank for us. as we walk down, the machine or the material will be fed into the machine. As the material gets fed through the machine, what it will do is it will form as blanks, which will then go into the press. So from the start to the finish, we'll end up with these blanks, and we'll show you what happens to them next.
Okay, so where are we now?
So we've moved ourselves into the moulding shop where the paired blanks will be moulded into either soles or heels.
Okay, let's see how it's done. Tim, we are officially making our sole. Tell me what this is.
So these parts are our formed blanks. We'll use these to go into our moulding presses, which you'll see. Once they're moulded, that will give us a finished part.
That's the finished result. I think that's amazing. It just
From that to that.
This is our can't speak myself. I think it's amazing. This is our rubber mold, and it turns into a sole.
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's literally just static. You can take them out. Blanks will be placed in the machine, and the machine will close it for about 5 minutes. So we've made our way through to the trimming room. So this is where the moulded parts will come in to be final finished. Liz is currently working on the heels, using our roller press to trim off the excess flash. We'll then knock them out and then send them off to the packing area.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Just everything.
If you make a mistake, I can edit it out. Amazing. So what we've got here, when you guys see me sanding the soles on the machines to get them ready for gluing, we've got a machine that does that here, so we'll have a look at that. So here we've got Maxine. She's showing us exactly how the products get packaged up when it's all finished, ready to go out to wherever they're going. I just wanted to show you guys this lot because this is stock. So what have we got, Tim? How much should we?
So we're holding around about 3 months worth of production for our OEMs and also to our repair trade. So any stock that you require, whether that's black, brown, red, blues, caramel colours, in any of the studded, the Ridgeway, we will have that in stock here for dispatch within 48 hours.
Amazing. So what we've got here, we've already looked at the sole, and this is a heel.
Yeah, heel tool.
This is a blank heel before it's put through the mould. Logger heels. So what have we got here? These are the what's called tools.
Yeah, so these are the mould tools. Very sort of simple compression tools, but we can produce our famous studded soles from.
And then we've got this is a tool for logger heels, if I'm right.
It is, yes. Logger heel tool. We run multiple cavities to keep the cost effective for consumers, OEMs.
And you mentioned to me a minute ago, these are pretty pricey, these
They
tools.
are. They're a big investment for a company. Typical cost is around about £3,000 to £5,000. We are currently investing in new tooling for new ranges, so it's a great time.
Yeah, it's a lot of cheddar, expensive bit of kit. I did promise Ron that when he came to the factory he could have a treat, and he asked if he could sit in all the funny shaped bit of rubber. Yeah, now that is what you call a raw bit of stuff. Looks like one of my ex-girlfriends.
All right. How long have we got left?
Oh,
useful.
Well, that looks good. So similar to the Ridgeway.
Similar to the Ridgeway,
Yeah.
but yeah.
Right, now, Vicky, the rep who comes to see me, said if I came up to visit the Dainite factory, that Ron could go for a swim in the pond. So, here he goes. Will he sink? Hooray! Oh, he's probably going to get eaten. Oh, I'm going to lose him. Run! Come here, buddy. He's out. Okay, guys, so that is it. We're out of the factory, heading home. Got to dash off quick, got to get back to work, funnily enough. I was pondering whether to do an outro here or in the shop. I usually do it in the shop. Actually, I am back in the shop now for what seems like a more appropriate outro for you guys. And also driving back, in hindsight, I realized you guys didn't really see the end of the tour. I was finishing the tour and of course saying thank you and goodbye to Tim and Victoria. Of course, we did say goodbye and have a little chat and thank you once again. Tim, thank you for showing us around the factory and being a good sport and getting involved with the video. But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, seeing how the Dainite soles are made. It was a little bit different. I had a lot of fun making it. So now you guys know how Dainite soles are made. Remember, of course, if you have a Dainite sole repair that you need doing, you can send them over and we can sort that out for you. Just get in touch with the contact form via the website and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It's usually a few days. It's been quite a long day. I am pretty tired now, so I'm gonna get out of here. But thank you so much for watching. Do hit like if you enjoyed the video. Remember to hit the notifications bell so you're kept in the loop every time I upload a new video. And remember, you can find me on Instagram. It's Dan the Cobbler. I'm putting a lot more short form content up there at the minute. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.